its own day. It's not gonna sit at one place. Come on, man. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing fantastic, and today I am super excited to share my first ever Shein haul video with you all. Please drum rolls. The reason is I waited for these products to arrive for more than 3 months. Yes, I ordered these stuffs before lockdown, so they're getting it delivered now. And the worst part is they have split the entire package into 5, so you can expect a part 1 and part 2 kind of a haul. This is not a sponsored video. I am losing my words to talk because I'm really excited. So before I get into this haul video, I would like to mention a couple of points that I never shop Shein products at a full price. I wait for the sale to happen. And also there is a section called flash sale. If you're very sure about your size, then go ahead and shop from flash sale option. The reason being is those products cannot be returned. You cannot return those products, and also the shipping policy is a little kind of a different than in India, how the e-commerce work. You will have to pack your stuff and ship it to their address. So yeah, make sure that you're doing shopping with the proper information, and all the products have different sizing charts, so make sure that you go through the sizing chart, measure yourself, and then please buy. And also these products which I'm going to show you, I have ordered, as I mentioned, I have ordered these before lockdown. So right now in a process of weight loss, so I tried a couple of tops which is very loose for me right now, so I'm gonna get those things altered. And yeah, so now let's just get started with the video. This is the first top which I got, and it is really girly, and look at this, guys. It has a nice strings kind of a thing which is going around, and I ordered in a size 2XL. This is definitely very loose for me. You can see in the video I'm gonna get this altered. And moving on, I have another product, and the best part about Shein is all the stuff comes in this kind of a Ziploc package, which you can store the product in it, and also I use it while traveling, so this is really handy. Then I ordered this leopard print skirt. This is also very loose for me right now, and yeah, this is how it looks, and it's really nice and pretty one. This was also in size 2XL. This is very loose right now. I'm gonna get this altered. Yeah, these were all items were on a flash sale. So yeah, so the next one I have is this. This is beautiful velvety kind of a top, and the material is so soft and so good. This was also in a size 2XL, but it fits properly because see, I told you there are few tops and few sizes you need to see. This top fits me perfect, like this really looks pretty, and this I think this I have worn already, and I posted picture as well. And moving on, then I have another top. Guys, please ignore because I have a love for black and red and blue, so you may find a lot of blacks and red. So if you're someone like me, if any one of you like black and red, then I think this video is for you. So yeah, now this is another top. You can see the sleeves. My god, I got sold. I mean, the sleeves just sold me, and they are super pretty, super pretty. And the top is just a basic simple black top, and yeah, this also fits me perfect. This is in size 2XL. However, this is a stretchable material, so it fits perfectly fine. This was another top, and this is another top which I'm wearing right now. And I also ordered few accessories. Before I get into the clothes, I ordered few accessories. One is this earring which I'm wearing it right now. They were at very reasonable price. I think it was just for $1.99. And then another one which I ordered was these. These were another earring which I ordered. They are super pretty, and these are like stones, the seashells, what do you call. They are really pretty and very elegant earrings. And then I ordered this earring which is plastic, like acrylic earrings, but it has got glitters inside. If you can see, they look really pretty. They were all at flash sale, so they were very reasonable. And there were few more earrings which I lost during my house shifting, so I am really sad about it. Another thing which I ordered is a sunglass. This was like one of the steal deal kind of. This was just for 200 rupees. And look at the packaging, guys. It comes in a nice packaging, and this is the glass. Oh, I love this glass, guys. Check this out. This is so pretty glasses. I mean, the size, the frame, everything is so good. I really like this glass, and this was a very, very good deal, so I thought I should get this. Now moving on, I have another top which is similar to the top which I showed you, this one, but this has a doll in print. Oh, see, this has a doll print right here, and similar to that I have got another one which is this one. This has a ruffled sleeves, and you can wear this with high-waisted skirt, or you can just tuck this in. It's little lengthwise, the top's length is a little shorter, but I like the sleeves and it is super pretty, and the neck is a little high neck, if you can see. I really like that one. And I also got one formal or top which is for office basically, and yes, this is also black because my love for black is never ending. So yeah, this is what another simple black top looks, and the reason I got is because of the sleeves. These are right now very trendy and really nice. This is 2XL size, but this fits me really well. And now moving on, another black top, guys. I'm sorry, I will finish all the black top first. So another top which I got is this is so good, guys. I was not sure about the quality of product. The beads has, like, it has a metal thing which secures the bead, so it's not going to fall down, and the quality is really good. This is what it is, and this is in 2XL. It's a bit loose for me. I will get this thing altered. And yeah, now moving on, I have few things in different colors. So yeah, I got this frog which was at a very reasonable price. This was just at 200 rupees, so I had to get this. It's a very nice summery one-piece dress. If you can see here, this is how it looks. It's beautiful, and this, when it came, it had some open stitches, so I have stitched it back, and this fits me perfectly fine. So yeah, I think maybe because of that this was on a flash sale, but yeah, it was a pretty good deal, I feel. This is red with polka dot, and the best part of this is this ruffled kind of a scarf which is attached to the top. You can see this is how it looks. I really like this top. Moving on, I'm going to show you the leggings which I ordered. They're pretty much normal leggings, but size wise you need to be very sure about it. This is the first legging which I ordered, and I love the fit of this legging. Like, this is one of my favorite right now. This is in size 2XL, but this fits me perfectly fine because it hugs your body very well. Moving on, I have ordered like 3 leggings, all are in black. Sorry guys if you don't like black. Yeah, the another one which I ordered is in the size 1XL. This also fits very loose to me, but I can manage it. And the best part is the the leg bottom. If you can see this, the leg bottom. Ooh, this is so pretty, like really pretty. And the last legging which I ordered, I'm very disappointed because this was in 1XL and it is so loose, so loose. This was the legging. Oops, open it. Yeah, this was the legging, and the reason why I got was there is a mesh. I'm going to just show you here. There is a mesh around, it comes on your thighs, and yeah, it's perfect for your workout, and it's really nice, but it doesn't fit me. I mean, it's really loose. You can see on the screen it is really loose, so I didn't like it, but I think I can get it altered maybe. So this is one more summery kind of a dress. I really like it. This is perfect for summer right now, and it has a Chinese collar, and this portion is a bit deep, so you can see here this thing is a little deep, so I usually wear it with a tube. And yeah, this is very nice. It's a nice stretchy material. And also I got the last item which I got is another dress, which is this one. Now it is super loose for me right now. Yeah, this is one more dress. This is actually a gift by my bhabhi. So yeah, she gave me this one, and yeah, I really like this dress. So guys, this was the complete haul. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did so, please make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up, and also wait for part 2 video, which is gonna come soon. And yeah, if you have any suggestions and if you want to know more about Shein and you have any queries, please comment down below or send me a DM on my Instagram. Make sure that you're following on my social media, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye guys.